Hey everyone, I'm going to do a quick indexing tutorial for you. Hopefully you'll be a little bit more comfortable with it after this. We're going to move pretty quickly, but basically you just want to go to FamilySearch.org, sign in with your church account. Mine's already saved. Don't mind my password manager. So from this normal login screen, you're going to hit get involved and then indexing. And this is a cool new feature. You can hit try it, and it basically takes documents that have been indexed by computers automatically, and you just go through it and review the names to make sure that the computer did it correctly. So some of these are in Spanish, but there are some in the US, so it's pretty quick. It only takes a few minutes to do a document. So it's kind of cool if you just want to jump in and do that real quick. But for now, we're going to go back to that first page, indexing. And we're going to hit find a project. I already have some checked out right now. But basically on the left side, you can change the difficulty. It doesn't show me any beginner ones. So and you'll find which types of documents are easier than others. Let's see, I'm just gonna go to, let's go do some death records maybe. So you can star it if you want to work on it later, and then it'll show up in your favorites, which normally it should. So I'm gonna hit index. And the cool thing is it's all based in the browser now. You used to have to download a program to your computer. Now it's all done in a web browser, so it's pretty easy. So this is the project instructions that pops up when you first start. And this will just show you kind of an overview of what the document is, what kind of data you should index, what you should ignore. Gives you a couple of examples that you can click. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty in depth, and once you do a bunch of them, you get the hang of it, and it goes by a lot faster. So the first question is, should this image be indexed? Basically, it has names and dates, so we're gonna hit yes, next image. And then it asks, should this be image? So it looks like there's multiple images in this set, so we're gonna hit yes. And what about this? Yes, they're all three. So let me make my window smaller. So we're gonna go, let's see, you can use these plus and minus buttons to zoom in and out. You can also change the brightness and contrast, invert it, whatever makes it easier for you to read. So that isn't good. We're gonna just turn that off. So let's see, usually the certificate or record number is at the top, so that's this number right here. So I'm just going to do 67-023342 and just do it exactly how it's shown. So it doesn't show a prefix, so it doesn't show a Mr. or Mrs. So on this, it actually says if it doesn't have a prefix, then you hit Control B or Command B if you're on a Mac. So we're just gonna click Command B and it'll say blank. So that just means it wasn't given. Okay, so deceased given name. So it's Hattie, and then the surname, actually for given names it's their first and middle. So Hattie Bell, and then the last name is Jolly. Death month. So you just click and drag around, zoom in and out, and then you get the hang of it pretty quickly. So the 8th month, which is August 30th, and then 1967. So, and it says type the 4-digit number, even if the 2-digit number was given. So this is a little bit lengthy, but that's basically it. And then you just hit this little envelope button to send it once you're done to submit the batch. So hope that helps.